Hi guys, welcome back to Teaching Channel. Guys, welcome back to Teaching Channel. Guys, today you are thinking and excited that what's a new topic we will learn today. Guys, I will start. I think a lot and then I come to a decision. Like guys, means that I came to a decision on like this video I am posting on Saturday. So I think so that I have to post every Saturday. I will post a video that is related to English speaking but not related to grammar. I will post the videos of grammar videos and I will continue posting it, but on Saturday, every Saturday I will post a new video related to English speaking but not related to English grammar, because English speaking have many different topics not related to English grammar. It have many other topics that can help you a lot in English speaking. So that's why I came to a decision I'm posting it on Saturday. So I think I will post every Saturday. I will post a new video or related to English speaking but not related to English grammar, and I will think so it may help you a lot. And please watch it and comment it that which type of facts I should take or what I should take for you. Today we are going to translate paragraphs here from Hindi to English, and I hope it will help you. And then I will start another topic, then I will make every Saturday I will post another topics like facts, English facts, and other topics also, and many so on. So guys, before wasting our time, let's start. So guys, in this pic you can see that there is a Hindi paragraph which is translated into English paragraph. Okay guys, so let's start reading it. So I am first reading it into Hindi, then I will translating it into English. क्या कभी, okay guys, if you want 1 minute guys, I wanted to tell you something, that if you want to translate by your own self, so you can take a screenshot and crop it, and you can stop the video and you can translate it by yourself. But first I think so you should see. क्या कभी किसी ने सोचा होगा कि एक दिन हम चांद पर होंगे? ये सपने जैसे ही था, है ना? लेकिन अब लगता है कि ये निकट भविष्य में संभव होने वाला है। ठीक इसी तरह जो भी कुछ आज हमें मुश्किल लगता है वो ज़रूरी नहीं मुश्किल हो, इसलिए हमें कम से कम प्रयास ज़रूर करना चाहिए और साथ ही हमें धैर्य भी रखना चाहिए, क्योंकि अगर कोई चीज़ उतनी मुश्किल नहीं है तो उतनी आसान भी नहीं है. So let's see what is the translation in English. Would one have ever thought that one day we will be on the moon? It was just like a dream, wasn't it? But now it seems that it is going to be possible in the near future. Similarly, whatever seems difficult to us today is not necessarily difficult out of the reach. Therefore, we must at least try. As well, we should keep patience, because something, if not that difficult, is not that easy either. So you can see that the translation is means you can translate it in your wordings also. Here is written my wordings, means you can the next paragraph that I will show you, first try to translate it by your own self, then see what's the actual translation, and then you can match your words and you can use other words also, because you can see there's so many words in the English and you have to focus on that. And I will make sure, and I have been made very vocabulary words, one short in which I have shown some means I have tell you that how you can learn vocabulary, how can you improve your vocabulary words, and you have to learn some words at least 5 a day, and then you can improve it. If you are learning 5, so you can you can learn more 6, 7, 8. So guys, I hope that you understand what I am trying to say. So let's go to another paragraph. Okay, so guys, let's see the second one. अगर मैं कहूँ कि कोई व्यक्ति केवल 6 महीने के अंदर 1,00,000 रुपये महीने कमा सकता है, वो भी घर में काम करके, तो आपको हैरानी ज़रूर होगी। लेकिन ब्लॉगिंग आज एक ऐसा करियर है जिसमें ये संभव कर दिया है। इसलिए मैंने फ़ैसला लिया है कि मैं अपने देश के युवाओं को सक्षम बनाऊंगा कि कैसे ब्लॉगिंग के ज़रिए अपना भविष्य बना सकते हैं और अच्छा पैसा कमा सकते हैं। मैं इस प्रोजेक्ट पर दिन रात काम कर रहा हूँ, जिसे मैंने नाम दिया है www.wemakebloggers.com. This is like means that this bloggers.com is written in this, otherwise it is not. So focus on what we are doing. Means that आप पैराग्राफ पे फोकस कीजिए, राइट नहीं है, मीन्स दैट ये एक पैराग्राफ में लिखा हुआ है ब्लॉगिंग का। Okay, so what is the translation in English? If I say that one can earn 1 lakh in 1 lakh a month within only 6 months, that too working from home, you will surely be amazed. But blogging is such a career option today that has made it possible. Therefore, I have decided that I will empower the youth of my country on how they can make their career through blogging and earn good money. I am working on the project that I named www.wemakebloggers.com. So guys, you can see the wordings are so simple that you can make by your own self. So I request you to first try by your own self, because if you will not try by your own self, you can't able to learn English translation. So I am showing you a Hindi paragraph. You have to you have to translate it in English by your own self. Only I am showing a Hindi paragraph. Okay, then you have to translate it by your own self. And I wanted to see in the comment that you have, and then I will show you the English translation. But first I will show the Hindi translation of that, and then I will tell you that, and then I want the comments that how you translate. Means you translated well, that you can write it that I translated a lot and it helps me a lot. Means if it helps you, so type. If you want anything, you want to any topic, if you have any topic confusion in any topic, so you can type in the comment. I will see, and I will make those videos which can improve your English speaking. So I hope that it may help you. Let me show you the third para. So guys, I have shown you a para. Please do it, and I request you to do by your own self. Don't see, first stop the video and do. I'm showing you the translation in here, means in English translation. What is it? I'm showing you. So are you ready? So please stop the video and first do by your own self. Let me tell you what's the translation in English. Okay, so guys, this is the English translation of that para, and let me read the para first, then I am reading this. So पक्का उसने सोचा होगा कि लोग उसकी कमज़ोरियों की हंसी नहीं उड़ाएंगे, पर शायद वो नहीं जानता था कि उसके आसपास ऐसे कई लोग हैं जिन्हें दूसरों को नीचा दिखाने में बहुत मज़ा आता है। शायद उन्होंने सोचा हो कि उसके दोस्त हाथ बढ़ाएंगे और उसकी ताकत बनेंगे। इंग्लिश ट्रांसलेशन: He must have thought that people would not mock his weakness, but maybe he didn't. He didn't know that there were many such people around him who enjoyed a lot belittling others. He might have thought that his friends would lend him their hands and become his strength. Guys, here you have learned in this para so many new words, like what I have said. Mock is also a new word. Belittling is a new word. Lend him their hands is also a new word. But lend, maybe you know that lend, but mock, belittling, like here, mock his weakness, उसकी कमज़ोरियों की हंसी उड़ाएंगे। हंसी उड़ाना, मोक हिज वीकनेस, कमज़ोरियों की हंसी उड़ाना, मोक हिज वीकनेस. सो द वर्ड दैट यू यूज हियर, यू कैन चेंज इट और यू कैन राइट इट. वी कैन यूज मोक also for this. Belittling, such people around him who enjoyed a lot belittling them. वो ऐसे कई लोग हैं जिन्हें दूसरों को नीचा दिखाने में बहुत मज़ा आता है. Belittling others, enjoyed a lot belittling, मतलब नीचा दिखाना. Belittling means नीचा दिखाना, नीचे दिखाने में. तो आपने the words that you use here, you can change it with this. So may it help you guys. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share my video. Don't forget to comment. Please share and like my video. Subscribe too. Thanks for watching. Thank you guys. Guys, if you want my more videos, if you want to watch my videos, so you can go in the playlist, in the channel's playlist, and you can watch my videos, and you can go in the playlist and videos too, and you can watch my all the videos that I have made. And I hope that you like these videos. Don't forget to subscribe, share and like my video. May it will help you. Thank you guys. Have a nice day guys.